Welcome back to the woods. Chilly this morning. Things are firmed up nice. Going to be in the 40s later this afternoon. It's that time of the year. So a question I get asked all the time is, Dish, who sharpens your saw for you? For a lot of people, it's a big deal. They bring it to a shop and have their chain sharpened. But really, it's not that difficult. There's some really good videos out there. A couple in particular are by Buck and Billy Ray Smith. Go watch his videos, especially the ones on sharpening. He really does a great job. And again, it's not that hard to do. Takes a little practice. Couple things you need. You gotta have a good file. When you buy a new chain, grab 2 files, right? Another thing is you gotta keep your rakers down. They make little guides, little tools to help you with raker height. Watch some videos and practice. Again, it's not that difficult. So, before it warms up, I gotta get in a swamp and get some wood cut. It's time to get after it. that's it for today. I got 4 tanks cut. Tried to get in here with the old critter. It's just too soft. I managed a couple of skids out of here, but I'm done. All I'm going to do is get stuck or break something. So that's it for the swamp, unless we get a bunch of cold weather, or until next winter. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and until next time, thanks for watching.